can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Bhaiya's marriage. One day, Gattu and Chinky returned home from school and saw that their uncle was visiting their house and he was sitting with their papa in the living room. Gattu and Chinky rushed towards him and hugged him.
Oh, uncle, when did you come? I am very happy to see you. Yes, uncle, I am happy too. Did Golu Bhaiya not come with you?
I'm sorry, Gattu Chinky. Your beloved Golu Bhaiya was not able to come. But I came with his wedding invitation. Gattu Chinky could not contain their happiness and said together,
Golu Bhaiya's wedding invitation.
Papa and Uncle started laughing after seeing Gattu and Chinky's excitement. Mummy brought some snacks along with tea for them.
Yes, Gattu Chinky. We all are going to attend Golu Bhaiya's wedding. But first of all, go fresh and change your clothes.
Gattu Chinky got freshened up and changed clothes. Then they had snacks with everyone else. After some time, Uncle decided to leave.
Uncle, why are you leaving so soon?
Dear, I have to do lots of preparation for this marriage, so I must go. You should also start planning. Saying this, Uncle left. After that, Gattu Chinky went to their room and opened their cupboard. They started putting clothes here and there. That is when Mummy entered their room.
Hey Gattu Chinky, what are you guys doing? Why are you keeping your clothes like that?
Mummy, where is my blue sherwani? I can't seem to find it. What am I going to wear in Golu Bhaiya's marriage now? Yes, Mummy. And Mummy, where is my pink dress? That dress is very pretty. I am going to wear that dress for the wedding, along with the pink hairband.
Gattu Chinky, there are still many days left before the wedding. Now put all the clothes back in the cupboard and don't worry about a thing. I will find your clothes, dry clean them and keep them ready for you. Okay?
Alright, Mummy. We will keep these clothes back.
Gattu Chinky were eagerly waiting for the wedding day to arrive. And very soon the day arrived. On the day of the wedding, Gattu and Chinky got ready nicely and reached Uncle's home with Mummy and Papa. When they saw Golu Bhaiya, they rushed to hug him.
Golu Bhaiya, we are here. We are going to have a lot of fun in your wedding. Yes, Golu Bhaiya, and we want to congratulate you for the wedding. Yes, Bhaiya, congratulations.
Thank you, Gattu Chinky. Do you know, I was actually waiting for you guys. I want to tell you that you should step ahead and dance when Bharat starts. Okay, Gattu Chinky?
Okay, Golu Bhaiya, we will.
Their uncle also came over there. One more thing, Gattu Chinky. You also have to make sure that no one will be able to steal your Golu Bhaiya's shoes, okay?
Yes, uncle. Don't worry. We will take care of it.
Everyone started laughing at this. After some time, the Bharat started moving and Gattu Chinky stepped ahead and danced with full excitement. Seeing them, Mummy, Papa and Uncle Auntie also started dancing. Very soon, the Bharat reached the wedding venue. When the wedding ceremony started, Gattu and Chinky sat just behind Golu Bhaiya and kept his shoes safe. From the bride's side, two kids named Meera and Shivi were going to try to steal his shoes.
Gattu, listen. I don't think we can keep the shoes safe. We should plan something to keep Golu Bhaiya's shoes safe. Come with me to the washroom. Chinky, how can we leave these shoes unattended? Come on, Gattu. I will explain everything to you.
Gattu went near the washroom with Chinky and they left the shoes behind.
Chinky, why are we here? This way it will be easy for Meera and Shivi to steal the shoes. Gattu, that is what my plan is. We will let Meera and Shivi steal the shoes. And from here we will keep an eye on where they are hiding it. Okay? Oh, Chinky, this is really very nice idea.
So, according to the plan, Gattu and Chinky kept an eye on Meera and Shivi. They stole the shoes and hid them in a flower basket. After the wedding ceremony was over, Meera and Shivi started demanding money from Golu Bhaiya, but Gattu and Chinky started laughing. Gattu, Chinky, why are you guys laughing? You both were supposed to keep my shoes safe.
Golu Bhaiya, your shoes are not stolen. We have your shoes.
Everyone was surprised to hear this.
What are you saying, Gattu Chinky? How is that possible? We have stolen and kept the shoes hidden. Yes, Meera and Shivi, we saw where you hide them. And then Gattu and I already moved them to somewhere else. And now the shoes are with us.
Hearing this, everyone started laughing.
Wow, Gattu Chinky, I must say, you guys have did an amazing job today.
That's true, Gattu Chinky. We really had a lot of fun because of you guys today. You both are very smart. We also had a lot of fun, Meera and Shivi.
After the tradition of shoe stealing and all other traditions of wedding were over, all the people started going home. That is when Gattu and Chinky looked at the food stalls.
Golu Bhaiya, there is still lot of food left over. What are we going to do with it?
For now, we will take all the food that is left to our home. But I think afterwards it will be thrown away.
Golu Bhaiya, it would be better if we could distribute the food among poor people. Our teacher taught us that a lot of food is left over during marriages and parties. And it should be distributed among the needy people.
You are right, Chinky. I know that some poor people live behind our house. So I will give this food to them. Will both of you help with this?
Yes, Bhaiya, sure. We will love to help you with this task. Yes, Bhaiya, I will help you too.
The next day, Gattu and Chinky went along with Golu Bhaiya and distributed the food among the needy people. This way, Gattu and Chinky enjoyed Golu Bhaiya's wedding.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.